Hello, hi, and welcome to another video on my channel. This is me, KUMAR. In this video today, we're talking about bank accounts, especially for the international students who come to UK and struggle to either open the account or don't know which account to open, or what are the benefits of different accounts or how to open the accounts. So we'll be talking about each and everything in this video from start to end. So stay tuned till the end. So to start with, there are two different types of bank accounts. Either one is mainstream like Barclays, HSBC, which are more of a physical branches, and then there are other digital accounts like Monzo, revolut, Starling, Monese, and there are Chase as well. So these are all digital accounts as well. Typically what people do, and not just international students, is they get multiple accounts, one for digital banking like day-to-day spending, and then one for you are basically money saving or keeping the money in the mainstream banks. So you can do that as well. So literally two different type of accounts you can open as a student. Now just remember that international students may not get bank accounts at all banks. Some banks don't provide the facility to the international student just after the arrival. So your options can be limited, but don't worry, there are enough banks out there who actually provide the accounts for the international students. Now let's talk about what you need to think of while actually opening an account. Like NatWest, RBS, HSBC, Lloyds, Barclays. These banks provide the bank accounts to students, and then similarly, as I said, digital banks also provide accounts to the students as well. So you need to think of different factors when trying to open the bank account, as which bank you should opt for, because you can open only one student account, and student accounts sometimes do have benefits. So you need to make sure you select the best bank out of maybe NatWest, RBS, HSBC, Lloyds, Barclays, maybe digital banks, because as I said, you can only open one student account, and you can of course open more current accounts, but the student account has its own benefits here. So number of things to think of is ease of opening the account, no monthly fee to maintain the account, and then literally having the presence nearby if you need any help, good customer service, best FX rates, because sometimes you need to receive the money, sometimes you need to send the money to home, and then no transaction fee or fee to send money, etc. No overdraft fee. Some banks actually offer a quite hefty amount of overdraft to you on 0% as well on student accounts. So you need to think of all these factors as well. And of course, benefits like discounts, freebies, perks, or any other sort of factor that may be relevant in some of the bank accounts. You may need to think of that as well. Thinking about all these factors, there are different types of bank accounts, as I mentioned earlier. So talking about digital accounts first, there are a lot of digital accounts out there like Wise, Monzo, Chase, and then Starling, Monese, and maybe some other banks as well like Revolut. You can open an account with most of them, but you need to think of what's the best for you. And in case if you need money or send money from UK to your country, then Wise is a great option, because Wise provides you one of the best FX rates and less transaction fee as well. So Wise can be a great option. They have a debit card as well. Similarly, accounts like Monzo, Chase, Revolut are also easy to open, and each account has their own benefit. For example, Monzo is very easy to use. They sometimes have cashbacks in that, and then Monzo have a saver as well inside. You can save money in the Monzo. Talking about Revolut, for example, Revolut basically has a lot of currencies feature in there. You can spend in Europe if you want to visit. And then of course, talking about Chase give you cashback. Chase has a good saving rates. So literally all the accounts have some sort of benefits to attract the customers, which also includes international students as well. Talking about NatWest or RBS, they provide exactly similar account to the students. There's no difference at all. The only difference is the branch near you. Whatever branch is near you, you can open the account with NatWest or RBS. The benefit of opening account with NatWest or RBS is you get 4-year taste card for free, which is normally £80, whereby you can get discounts on restaurants, cinemas, outdoor activities, etc. The 4-year taste card will help you to get some discounts across the board. And this account also has no fee to transfer the money abroad, but of course to receive the money you need to pay some fees. And other option can be HSBC, which is quite good and quite global, whereby you can send money to HSBC account anywhere in the world without any fee. So HSBC is a good option out there as well. And of course HSBC has their home and away offers as well in the app, whereby all the accounts can actually get access to those offers. There's some cashback as well. Also on HSBC, once your account is open, you can actually get a global money account as well, whereby you can have different currency accounts within one account, and you can get a debit card and you can spend that money in different countries without any fees. Other option can be nationwide. They don't provide any student specific account, however the general account can offer some good benefits. For example, their account doesn't have any fee on receiving the money, which is quite opposite to other banks whereby they charge for receiving the money, but nationwide they actually charge you for sending the money out of the UK. So if you're somebody who has to receive the money for your education and don't need to send money from UK, you can opt for nationwide, because that's a benefit out there. And also on nationwide, they actually provide you fairer share payment. I have seen for last 1 or 2 years they give you money for just staying with them. For example, my wife recently got £100 just for staying with Nationwide, and that's given to like millions of people out there. There are some other mainstream banks out there as well which can provide you account that you need. But any account that you want to opt, just make sure, if you need an overdraft, or sometimes you may be strict on money, you need to think of the account which can offer you 0% overdraft, just in case if you got overgo your limit. So some accounts actually offer up to 3,000 amount of overdraft with 0% interest, and you can really opt for that account if you think sometimes you need that money. So last thing is what you really need to open the account. Literally, you need your identity, which is your passport, your visa in the UK, and then your proof of address, and then your student ID or UCAS number, or maybe your enrollment acceptance letter. Also, it will be helpful to get your bank statement of your home country for last 3 months, just in case. So with all these things, you are able to open a student account. Hopefully this gives you more perspective. Thank you so much for watching.